How to save pictures on WhatsApp to your camera roll. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now basically once inside your device right here, all you have to do is to go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application. Now of course you want to make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp so you have this feature on the application. Now, once inside WhatsApp, you want to navigate through the settings category. From here, scroll down and you want to click on chats. Once inside chats, you want to make sure that this specific option is turned on. It is called Save to Photos. Automatically save photos and videos you receive to photos or camera roll. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.